Hey, welcome to my channel where I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. Today's video is a game changer for you if you want a skincare routine, but you know the first step to a skincare routine is cleansing your skin, and you are always too tired to go in the bathroom at night and actually wash your face. I have a new hack that has totally changed my lazy nights skincare game. Glad that you're here. Make sure and like and comment so that I can know you're here. The comments are how we get to know each other a little bit better. And I'm excited to share with you a new product that I have happened onto, and it is really a game changer for my nighttime skincare routine. So, you know, we talk a lot about inner and outer beauty here, and today is the day we are talking outer beauty. And you know, too, if you've been following me for a while, or if you've been in this community for any time, one thing that I have been on is my own glowing and grace and confidence journey through this aging process. I'm 43, and so just really trying to understand what's happening with my skin, with my body, all those things, hormones. And so skincare, of course, is where that it started, and it's gone on a lot from there. And I have lots of other videos and thoughts on age-fighting skincare and what you can do to really like up your skincare game in this season. And about a little over a year ago, I just knew that I wanted to get serious about my skincare. And so I've been really adamant and faithful and consistent. But there are times in the evenings that I'm tired, or we stay up late or we stay out late, and I just don't want to go in the bathroom and do the whole jazz. Because my age-fighting skincare routine, it takes a hot minute. And so sometimes I would just go to bed with my makeup on. And I didn't really love it. Do you know the old saying, or it's not a saying, it's a wives' tale, that every day that you sleep with your makeup on, you age yourself 7 days? I don't know if that's true or not. Does anybody know? Is that just a tale? I'm assuming that's just a tale. But I had been hearing this word micellar water. Micellar water. If you're watching and you're like, hey, I'm a huge fan of micellar water. Why didn't anybody tell me about this before? I knew micellar water was a good product to have for if you wanted to do a 2-step cleanse to get your face really clean. But I had no idea that micellar water could be a game changer for nighttime. And so all it is this liquid. It's a liquid bottle, and it is a makeup remover. It has little molecules in it that are serve like magnets. And
Did you make any more cookies?
hold on, my kids are talking. Oh, I don't know if you can hear them or not. But anyway, the micellar water, it's like magnets that dissolve and attract your makeup to it. And it just pulls it right out. I'm not going to take I don't know why I took my brow off. But anyway, you can already see it. And you just squeeze it on a cotton round, just like this. And I'm just going to take off half my face. Look at that. Look how gross that is. I just had my regular daytime makeup on that side. And so I'm going to do another one. The cool thing is you don't have to rinse it. You don't have to rinse this off. And so I have been keeping this beside my bed with some cotton rounds. And when I'm tired and I don't want to go in the bathroom and do my whole skincare routine, I just use this micellar water and do a good cleanse right before bed with this. And usually 2 cotton rounds does it for me. Now I'm not going to take my eye makeup off because when we're done with this, I have something else I got to do today. So I'm just going to put my makeup back on that side. But you can see, took it off. Well, I don't know if you can see, there. And I will usually do it until it's clean, until the cotton round is doesn't have anything else on it. And so we're getting there, but I'm gonna do one more swipe just so we know it's clean on that side. And so then you just go to bed. After you're done with that, that's it. Just get in your bed or do it in your bed. That's where last night I did it in my bed. I do other things in my bed too. Where's the camera? There, see, it's like there's pretty much no makeup left on it. And your face, it doesn't have alcohol in it. So it's not like a toner. Like a toner restores the pH balance. It's not like a face wipe. If you are a face wipe person, face wipes have alcohol in them. And for aging skin, you don't want anything with alcohol on your skin. It's not good for it. But this micellar water, it feels so good and soothing and moisturizing afterwards. And I sometimes use it and don't even put my moisturizer on after. That's when I'm really tired. Or just it's late. But I'm just really, I just wanted to share this idea with you because I know a lot of times when I'm talking to people and we're talking skincare or whatever, we know the first step is cleansing. Like there's no point in using age fighting or retinol or glycolic acid or any of that on skin that's dirty. And makeup and dirt, like just even dirt, you want to get your face clean from that. And so makeup and dirt, both, that's the first step to really any kind of a skincare routine. And so I feel like this has been not just a game changer for me on my lazier nights, but if you have been like, I want to start a skincare routine, but I just can't get in the groove, the micellar water might be a good first step for you. I don't know if all micellar waters are created equal because I haven't used any other, but my tip for today is if you are looking for a solution for cleansing that's good for your lazy nights or you don't have to be at the sink, then this cleansed my whole face on this side. You can tell. So what do you think? Are you a candidate for micellar water? I thought of a few different categories besides myself, who sometimes just doesn't want to wash my face at night. Also, if you go to the gym and you just need a face cleanse in between your next stop or going to work, it would be perfect for that. If you are camping, if you go camping and you want to cleanse your face, but you don't want to need soap and water or need cleanser and water. Another thing I thought of is mamas with their arms full or their hands full. For many years, I was a mama with my hands full and my arms full and of course full of love, but am raising 5 babies, and there was often times at night that I am nursing a baby right before bed or holding someone or rocking someone, and how easy that would be just to cleanse your face just like that. So drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think about this micellar water. Have you tried it before? Do you think it sounds interesting? Also, some people use it for a double cleanse. Have you used it in that capacity? I will link it in the description of this video. Make sure and subscribe. All of my videos come out on Tuesdays, and also once you subscribe, you are a member of the family. There is going to be something else in the descriptions, and it's an invitation to the Confident Beauty Collective, and this tutorial actually came out first on the Confident Beauty Collective, and then I shared it here on YouTube. But the Confident Beauty Collective is just the most encouraging, inspiring place that you will find on the interwebs. And it is a community that I get to serve that I absolutely love. I love the women there. I love the group that we're growing. And also it is a place that I periodically will drop little discounts and special offers and things for the people that are my clients. And so if a positive, encouraging community plus a place to maybe grab some great deals on your Mary Kay, if you're looking for that, then go in the description, go below, I guess, click the link and join the Confident Beauty Collective. All right, I think that's it for today. Until next time, see you later.